Hello, welcome to the second episode of CSS Selector tutorial. Here I am doing a short video to finish up the remaining sections of my previous video. Please follow the URL shared in the description to watch the first tutorial. Please subscribe this channel, if you still didn't subscribe to receive more nice videos about coding. Please like and share the videos with your friends. Okay, let's begin. Let's use the same URL we used in our previous tutorial to practice CSS selectors. Go to the console and clear the content. Type P in your JQuery syntax. It will select all the P tags. Similarly, we can select first child of each section. For that, type P, first, child, and press enter. It will select all the first P elements in each section. There is another handy way to select the nth element using nth, child. Here you can select which position of the children you need to select. Type P, nth, child and specify the number inside parenthesis. So it will select the child you want. If you select 1 as the number, it is similar to use first child selector. These first child, last child and nth child can be used with tag or class or other CSS selectors. As an example, I am going to use the class here. Inspect the third child element and see it has a class. Copy it and replace the P tag with the class. You can see, still it selects the third element. Now, let's talk about why using JQuery here is important. It is very important because, not only we find the CSS selector here, but we can execute JavaScript on elements. Navigate to google.com and inspect the search box. You can see, it is an input element and it has the property called name, where value is Q. Okay, let's go to the console and try to execute some JavaScripts on this element. Let's type our JQuery syntax and type input, open square bracket, name, equal, Q, close square bracket, to select the search box. Now let's try some JavaScripts. Type value, equal, search text and press enter. You can see that value is displayed in the text box. That way you can type anything on the text box using JavaScript. Further, you can check some properties of the element. Try to check it is disabled or not. Try to check the text content of the element. Answer will be an empty string since it is an input box. Try to check the maximum length. Try to get or set different properties using JavaScript. So, that is pretty much it about this video. Please have a look if you haven't watched the first CSS Selector video. Please do not forget to like and subscribe the video and add comment if you have any question or feedback. Thank you for watching, see you in the next tutorial.